Can you name all 50 birds? Let's find out. Easy level. Parrot. How many birds do you already know? Peacock. Can you guess? Eagle. Did you know this bird before? Owl. Swan. Welcome! Let's learn 50 amazing bird names in English. Duck. Which bird is your favorite so far? Crow. Can you name the next bird before the answer appears? Sparrow. Pigeon. Keep watching. More beautiful birds are coming. Ostrich. Penguin. Flamingo. Turkey. Chicken. Rooster. Easy level complete. Let's move to medium level. Stork. Crane. Can you guess? Goose. Great job! Let's learn some more birds. Kingfisher. Seagull. Pelican. Comment your favorite bird name. Robin. Hummingbird. Woodpecker. Finch. Canary. Bluebird. You're almost at the end of the challenge. Vulture. Hawk. Medium level finished. Now it's getting harder. Falcon. Welcome to hard level. Can you still guess them? Egret. Heron. Kite. Cuckoo. Nightingale. Lark. Great job! Let's learn some more birds. Magpie. Blackbird. Excellent! Mockingbird. Quail. Impossible level. Let's see if you're a real bird master. Partridge. Pheasant. You're almost at the end of the challenge. Toucan. Macaw. Nice. Cockatoo. Lovebird. Budgerigar. Hornbill. Albatross. Congratulations! You learned 50 bird names today. Which bird was your favorite? See you in the next learning video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.